It's pretty uncommon that a new protocol comes out in the technology world, but I think what's even more uncommon is when you see people lying down the block for an event after work. I remember when we did this first MCP night, people were walking down the street saying, "What's going on there?" It was a new piece of technology that's foundational to AI. I think it's the type of thing that can only happen in San Francisco. In SF, you know it's a tech meetup.
So MCP Night is really a tech conference, but it's at the scale of a concert. And no better place than at the Regency Ballroom. To accommodate the 2,000 plus registrants that we have had to bring in probably over about 100 folks or so that are involved in the production of this event in some fashion or another. You know, it could be 11 at night, 11:30 at night, whatever it might be, a new sled comes into play and it's like really easy to make this one decision that is going to maybe save you an hour, right? I've never seen someone on our team ever just say, this is good enough. They're always really striving to make the best, possible experience.
When you create a project like MCP, particularly we're together as like a team of two within a company for a specific purpose, you don't expect it to be like a de facto standard a year later. I think nobody starts out and trying to create a standard. It's been quite a wild ride, like from this inception point like a year ago to make this open source project to seeing like the community just picking it up, really feeling that there was this like need in the world and in the industry for like really like taking models and like connecting them to like your workflows. It's been absolutely crazy and I'm just super grateful to be in it, to be fair. It's a bit wild in a way, but it's super encouraging to see so many people really being interested in what you've built, then seeing it also translate into like servers being built, the clients being built. And it's just like really great to see the creativity that the community has brought to MCP, but also like just the things that they have built. And that's, I think, is just joy to put this little thing out there and then seeing so many people build so many amazing things around it. And then of course, like this event and this crazy like location. It's beautiful, I love it.
Think of this as the new W3C. In the days of the internet, you needed a neutral home for the HTTP standards and so forth. The Linux Foundation and the Agentic AI Foundation are going to be the home for that in the world of AI. And so I don't know whether to think of David, who's the creator of MCP, as Vint Cerf in this case, or Linus Torvalds. I could go either direction. It's great technology. It's freely available. Most importantly, tens of thousands of companies and individuals work on it to improve it every day. Same thing happened in cloud computing with Kubernetes. Same thing's going to happen here with MCP and agentic tooling, and we are going to go build a huge market that really is going to unlock what I think is the last mile, which is how do you connect intelligence autonomously to the tools that people need to get their jobs done every day.
There's something distinctly different about the MCP community, and I think it's the alignment of the people that are actually leading it. It's rare to get this many people to agree on anything, much less a new protocol. The level of collaboration in the world of MCP is really, really, really special. I think that's the reason why it has succeeded to this date, and it's also one of the reasons why I am so bullish on its future. Really just a big heartfelt thank you to the stewardship and leadership of David and the team that have been building MCP. Looking ahead, we don't really know what's next. We don't know what's going to happen in the AI wave, and we don't know what's going to come after MCP Night. The only thing we know for certain is that we're going to keep doing two things: building awesome things for developers and bringing the community together to celebrate that. And I think if we keep doing those two things, people will keep showing up and we'll keep learning about the future together.